going to take a few minutes to show you how you can use cup chain endings, or sometimes they're called crystal chain endings, on regular ball chain. Now most ball chain certainly comes with a finished end, and it's a little end just like you would find on sort of the industrial kind of ball chain. This one is pink because it does go with some pink ball chain. But there are times when you don't want to use that type of an ending on your project. You may want to have some sort of an end with a ring, either to attach a clasp or to attach a dangle. In that case, you can use these tiny endings that are called cup chain endings, and they have little fold over crimp type things on the top, and they're made to fit onto Swarovski crystal chain, or any kind of crystal chain really. You can see how they fit perfectly on that chain right there. Those little tabs on the top are flattened down, and that holds the chain in the end. This also works for ball chain. So you can add a section. Let me grab a piece here. And what you do is you just fit the ball chain into the end and use a pair of pliers to smash that down. I don't want to smash too hard, but wow, this is really hard to do while you're watching me. Usually it happens pretty quickly. So I'm smashing those two ends in there. And then once they're smashed in, you may also want to tighten up the very base of it a little bit around the end of the ball chain. Keep the ball chain from popping out. That makes a nice end. You can attach a clasp to that. You can use that for one end of a dangle if you wanted to use a section of ball chain and a pair of earrings. And that nice little ring on there has so many uses. In this project here, we will be attaching many pieces of ball chain to this 7-strand clasp. We've done one side of the necklace so far. This project will be a tutorial up on our website. You can look for it. It's called the Color Fields necklace. You can look for it soon, or maybe already. And I hope you have fun trying some new endings on ball chain. Thanks!